On 31st January 2022, mcstan finally dropped his official Insaan album art on Instagram, and that was looking really insane. But I want to recreate this artwork. Rose. Oh yeah, I'm finna pop. Yeah, baby, hit the spot like summer and some dipping dots. Okay, I got the reference, and of course I will make some toxic changes in it. So, oh baby, it's my season. Straight up out the water, I'm so well, I'm artesian. Girl in my DM. Every time suspicion hit you, ask about it, she gon' swear that God she got amnesia. Even if she taken, I might still come for her like my name was Liam Neeson. I don't do no beating around the bush. That's a double entendre. Bitch, you wouldn't get it if you studied it for weekends. I'ma put a pause. Every rapper out here rapping like they got it all on. God, I'm so appalled. If I don't get the recognition now, that's okay because my hustle real strong. I could ball like the bar, club pack, wall to wall. Spring back on them cause I know summer, winter, summer, fall. Spring, summer, winter, fall. Yeah, I'm so seasoned, bitch, I can do it all, yeah. I can sell water to a fish. I can tell your girl, gon' bend it over quick. She gon' hit a flip. Tell her she can take it if she want it. Bet you all the money that I got up in my pocket, she gon' hit a lick. That's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you, that's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you, you ain't gotta ask. You can tell, you can smell YSL. When I step into the office with my clientele, I can tell you a joke, might as well entertain me like Chappelle. You so thirsty for attention in the desert, you could find a well, alive and well. I'm fly as hell, yeah, okay. My fan base like ICP and tell L, give me RESPICT. I like my leaf water hot, that's no ICT. My IQ look like I'm out of a My sketch is finally done, and I think it's looking really crazy. And now, it's time to... Time to color.
Yeah. The harder that you try, baby, the further you fall. Even with
No, I will not color the hair like this reference. I will make it in my style.
Please don't pass me. Please don't pass me. Please don't pass me by.
Oof, just look at this crazy toxic attractive snake. Okay, so let's add my brand signature. Yeah, it's very expensive. And now enjoy the reveal. Bye.